Hi, I'm Dr. Shivangi and today we'll be talking about a very common skin problem which is hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation can occur due to several causes which can be intrinsic, that is from within, and also extrinsic, that is from several external factors like pollution, sun damage, heat damage, etc. Cleansing is the first step in the skincare regimen. Devrish Professional Skin Whitening Deep Cleansing Facial Foam Face Wash. It is enriched with kojic acid dipalmitate with vitamin C. Kojic acid dipalmitate is known for reducing hyperpigmentation, and vitamin C helps reduce dark spots and all the sun damage, and it also helps heal the skin. The second product that I'm going to talk about is the serum, Glowing Skin Brightening Face Serum. It consists of arbutin and sodium hyaluronate. This is a safer alternative for the skin as it also reduces hyperpigmentation and it is a safer alternative for hydroquinone. It also treats skin conditions like melasma. The final product in the kit is Organic Skin Whitening and Brightening Night Cream. This cream minimizes under eye dark circles and it provides hydration all night long. It also keeps your skin flake free. So go and get yours. Healthy, brighter and moisturized skin is just 3 steps away with this one-stop kit. So go get yours.